The 2018 Camry XSE has been completely redesigned and features edgier styling, a sport grille and side skirts, a power moonroof and panoramic glass roof, a sport-tuned suspension, and 19-inch alloy wheels. From the back, the new Camry looks sporty with dual exhaust, a shark fin antenna, energy-absorbing window glass, and a rear deck spoiler, and the large trunk offers plenty of luggage capacity. This luxury sedan looks sharp in platinum white pearl with color-matched mirrors and door handles, and for safety it's equipped with Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems. Inside you'll find a comfortable cabin with heated power sport seats, push-button start, climate control air conditioning, power windows and locks, tilt steering with a leather-wrapped wheel, and an 8-inch display audio system with Entune 3, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, and a backup camera. There's room for 3 in the back, and a longer wheelbase increases legroom for passengers, and you can fold the seat backs down to transport larger items. Power comes from a 304 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The 2018 Camry is sure to impress with a wider, longer, and lower stance and new performance-oriented drivetrain. Call today and be one of the first to drive one home.